Hey everyone, it's Marlena Burton, and I'm here to help shift the frequency of the planet with love and gratitude. So let's change your life in 10 seconds. All right? Energy flows wherever your attention goes. So let's give your attention to I love being me for just 10 seconds. You can say it out loud, just think it, whatever floats your boat. So I love being me. It is so fun just being my authentic self. I love and appreciate just being me. How's that? That's probably like 10 seconds, right? So just shift the energy. We're shifting the whole frequency of the planet with our thinking, our feelings, and our state of being. So how much fun is that? Let's do that daily a couple of times, and let's make the world a better place. My intentions of smile and be grateful have literally changed my life. I'm living my best life, and I want to help more people get on board. So let's connect at marlenag.com. Have an amazing day. God's best.